Have you ever had a research question about one of your ancestors and thought, there has got to be someone out there who knows something? Well, you might be right. Come with me and I will show you how you can find that someone. Hi, thanks for coming. I am Mari Stotts-Pratt and I'm a professional genealogist. And today I want to share with you what a genealogical query is, where to find them, and how to write them. A genealogical query is when you have a research question about one of your ancestors and you share it in a public online forum to try to find answers from others in the genealogical community. This is a great way to find other descendants of your ancestor who are willing to share their research and are happy to discover more cousins. People who post and answer queries are all about sharing information and building this body of knowledge. There are many places that you can post a genealogical query. Ancestry.com has message boards that allow you to search posts by locality or topic, like cemetery or military records. They also have message boards for specific surnames, and their names or keywords search box allows you to search for your specific ancestor. But be aware that your ancestor may share a name with many others. MyHeritage also has genealogy forums that you can browse by surname, location, and topic. They have specific boards that answer questions for beginners. If this is you, then you should definitely check out the beginner boards. There are also many genealogical research communities on Facebook that you can join and ask questions. Many of them are locality specific, so take a minute and see if there is one in existence for the locality that you are researching. Hundreds of genealogical queries are posted every day. So if you want to get answers, you have to make your post answerable. Here are a few things to keep in mind. First, make sure your question is clear and specific. Can you help me find my ancestor James? Is kind of a terrible question. It leaves the reader with more questions than they will bother to ask to determine if they can help you or not. Make sure you always include the full name of the person you are searching for, and the name of another person and their relationship. Updating the question to, can you help me find my ancestor, James Cross, who married Sarah Lackey, makes the question a bit better. Include a time period and a locality. Now the question might be, can you help me find my ancestor, James Cross, who married Sarah Lackey in Crawfordsville, Indiana in 1877? But you still aren't being specific in what you want to know. And don't say that you want to know everything. Pick one thing that you are most interested in learning about, like who were the parents of James Cross, who married Sarah Lackey in Crawfordsville, Indiana in 1877. You can add more information if you know it, like the names of children, but keep it simple and only include information that helps identify the person who is the subject of your research question. You don't want your post to be so long and cumbersome to read that people simply skip over it or get lost trying to figure out what your research question is. Using correct punctuation and grammar is important because if your post is not easily readable, people generally won't take the time to read it. You will probably want to record in your research log or another table a list of all the queries you've posted, where you posted them, and when. This will help you to avoid duplicating your queries. Posting the same query multiple times on the same message board will not increase your chance of your question being answered. It will only increase your chance of annoying others. If you want someone to respond to your query, make sure they have a way of contacting you. Some message boards will automatically send you an email if someone responds to your post, but you may want to include an email address or other way you prefer to be contacted. And make sure you thank everyone who replies to your query, even if they don't have the information that you need. I hope this video has helped you feel more confident in your ability to write an excellent genealogical query. Please take a second to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, share in the comments below experiences you have had with posting genealogical queries or any other genealogy message boards to post your queries to. And happy discovering!